Hello, everybody. Thanks for joining us for this academic writing module. Today, we are going to focus on the IELTS Task 2 essay, Test 1, writing Task 2 question from the IELTS Academic Cambridge 18 book. This is the part 2 of our previous videos, and our question here is write the most important aim of the science should be to improve people's lives. To what extent do you agree or disagree with this statement? You have to give your own answer and actually provide some examples from your own knowledge. What we should do in these types of essay, remember that this is opinion over personal viewpoint task. You have to introduce the topic, provide introduction paragraph, and give your own opinion in the introduction paragraph. Then provide main body. Then your main body paragraph should explain your view, given 2 or 3 reasons. And then you should briefly consider the opposite view. That means you have to make a concession and then restate your opinion in the conclusion. In part 1 of this video, actually, we analyzed a very good answer from the IELTS 18 book, and then by actually pay attention to the comments of the examiner. And now I'm gonna analyze a band 9 model essay for this question. Okay, let's get started. Scientific advancements, scientific developments are progressing at an unprecedented pace. Progressing in a meaningful rate. Yet not all of these developments, discoveries seem to benefit humanity. Great. In some cases, inventions initially intended for positive purposes, positive aims, have led to what? Harmful consequences, negative consequences, sometimes even to the regret of their creators, their, scientists. This essay will argue that while science should strive to enhance human life, quality of life, the pursuit of knowledge for its own sake remains equally valuable, provided that as long as ethical boundaries are respected. Great. Okay, the next main body. There is a compelling case for placing the welfare of humanity at the heart of scientific research. Throughout history, science has played a pivotal role, had played an essential role in enhancing living standards. Breakthroughs such as electricity, antibiotics, vaccinations, and digital communication. Breakthroughs ranging from electricity, antibiotics, vaccinations to digital communication have transformed the way we live, work, and interact. Great. These innovations actually create linking devices, which is natural, not mechanical. These innovations were not only the result of intellectual curiosity, but also driven by a desire to solve real-world issues, real-world challenge, real-world problems, and enhance improved quality of life. Great. Please pay attention to the usage of complex sentences with great topic-specific vocabularies. As such, many believe that scientific research should always be guided, should always be under supervision by its potential to deliver public good. Great. On the other hand, it would be unrealistic to expect all scientific research to have immediate or obvious practical applications. In many cases, scientists embark on research purely to expand human understanding without knowing how or when their results, when their discoveries, when their finding will be used, will be practiced. This does not make their work any less valuable. This is a pretty short sentence here. For example, for instance, Alfred Nobel invented dynamite for industrial purposes, for mining, unaware that it would later be used destructively in warfare. Similarly, Alexander Fleming discovered penicillin by accident, yet his contribution revolutionized modern medicine. Great evidences, great examples. These cases, again, a usage of linking devices by the help of these plus phrases, demonstrate that the true impact of scientific discoveries may only become apparent over time. This is a great sentence, actually pretty logical. We are gonna see the results over after a long period of time. Okay, our conclusion, to sum up, to recapitulate, all in all, while enhancing people's lives should be a key objective of science, the intrinsic, the essential, the core value of knowledge and discovery must not be overlooked. Therefore, as the result, scientists must pursue both innovation and understanding, always with a sense of responsibility. Okay? This is a great Band 9 essay, very well structured and with great tips to share with you. Okay, why this deserves a Band 9? Okay, number one factor, it has a great argument and balanced perspective. A Band 9 essay clearly states its position from the beginning and maintains the position consistently. It also acknowledges opposing views, making a concession, not one-sided essay. This is a pretty extremely important, showing that the writer can evaluate, assess different sides of discussion, issue, question. What are the key features? Actually, we see here a well-defined thesis statement in the introduction. We see clear topic sentences at the start of each body paragraph. Consideration of both sides when required, actually, but with a clear personal stance by actually providing our own opinion here. And we see a logical and persuasive conclusion that reinforces the main opinion, that shows the main opinion. Okay, the second actually important factor is complex sentence structures and advanced vocabularies that I highlighted in blue. Band 9 essay demonstrate a wide range of grammatical structures and using them in a natural way, not actually in a mechanical way and with some errors. Actually, the vocabulary is varied, precise, and appropriate for the academic tone of the essay. Great. Regarding our key features, actually, use of subordinate clauses, use of relative clauses, conditionals, passive voice, and inversion, advanced vocabulary that's used in a natural way, and collocations and idiomatic expressions used in a pretty best way. No noticeable error, grammar or spelling errors actually. The second main and important factor is actually natural use of cohesive devices and a smooth paragraph progression. Uh, in this actually regard, ideas and paragraphs are connected smoothly using a range of linking devices. The essay reads fluidly with each point building on the previous one with the previous paragraph, and we can actually pay attention to the wide variety of transition words. It is extremely important use of referencing and then a logical sequencing of the ideas, which each paragraph develops one main idea fully before moving to the next paragraph. Clear and effective use of examples to support our point. Actually, it is extremely important. And the last factor, the important factor for actually deserving the band 9 for this essay is coherent logic and the well-organized structure. The essay is structured in a way that enhances understanding. Each part of the essay serves a purpose and contributes to the overall argument. And our main key features here are that the essay follows a clear structure. It started with introduction, then provided us main body paragraphs, and then finish with a conclusion. The next main key feature is each paragraph has one central idea supported with explanation and then examples. No repetition or irrelevant idea, and ideas flow naturally, and the writer's rhythm is easy to follow. It's not something mechanical. It's something which is it's natural, not mechanical. And the conclusion summarizes and restates the argument without introducing new information. And please remember that in conclusion, you do not have right to provide and write something new. Okay, that's it. And dear subscribers, do not forget to support our channel with your great comments, with your great support, and thank you so much. If you have any question, please don't forget to actually ask from us in a comment section. Don't hesitate to check out our previous videos, and I hope that you enjoyed this module. Till now, thank you so much for watching, and see you soon in another IELTS with me tutorial. Take care and bye.